Hello, my name is Cesar Romero. I'm from Mexico City, and I am a partner. I'm a distributor of Winston Industries. The relationship starts because we opened a barbecue joint in Mexico City, and we buy a holding cabinet of Winston Industry, and I realized how good was that machine, and well, I was interested about selling this equipment down there in Mexico, and that's why I started to selling these equipment down there. I think holding cabinet is very important in a barbecue joint because if you're cooking low and slow, you need to have a very good machine to hold that food with a temperature, with very soft, and a holding cabinet for Winston Industries is the best option. You need to try it. You're gonna love it because this equipment has humidity. You can put water on it, and you will not have lost on your food. It's a very good way to hold food, but not only meat. Like in a barbecue joint, you can hold rice, tortillas, nachos, many kinds of food.
Yeah. How has it been working with Winston as a partner?
Very good. The relationship has been very good. We have been working for like 3 years now, and I think we're going to have a very good relationship many years more.